Automic version 12.3 came out on July 19th, 2019. To clarify that right at the beginning, this is a major release. Automic currently only knows major releases. If I had to give the release a title, that would be the AWI gap closure, because the Automic Web Interface, the AWI, in version 12.3 can finally do everything the Java user interface could. But you're doing the release 12.3 wrong if you just limit it to that. I summarize my 5 highlights of version 12.3 here. The first highlight, of course, is the gap closure of the Automic Web Interface with the old Java user interface. In order to get the AWI, where it can do everything the Java UI could do, Automic Product Management cooperated with the Focus Club from Germany. As a result, customer feedback was incorporated early in the development process. The result is impressive. I've already done a lot of AWI trainings for clients who switched from the Java user interface to the AWI. And it was always about 2 things. First, what's different in the AWI than in the Java UI? And second, what's still missing in the AWI? And with 12.3, the second point is pretty much history. A lot has happened in the AWI, and I cannot list everything here. The documentation of 12.3 lists all changes clearly. The coolest change is the new browser-based navigation. You can now open links in the AWI in new browser tabs, move objects from one tab to another, use the browser history, bookmark each page, and so on. The AWI is now a real web application that supports all browser functions. I predict who is once accustomed to the new user experience will never want to go back to the old Java UI. My second highlight in version 12.3 is that the centralized agent upgrade can now also upgrade Java-based agents. This includes SAP agents, SQL agents, and all RA agents such as the FTP or web service agent. However, before upgrading these agents with the centralized agent upgrade, you will need to manually upgrade them to version 12.3 first, and afterwards you can do subsequent upgrades automatically. My third highlight, Automic has renamed the component again. Well, that's not the whole truth. Automic Workload Automation and Automic Service Orchestration, they have been merged, and the new combination product is now simply called Automic Automation. Why is that a highlight for me? Because all former workload customers enjoy the benefit of action packs and the event engine without additional costs. By the way, the Vara to Chart widget is now also available to all customers and does not cost extra anymore. Highlight number 4, new script functions. Yeah, with Automic scripting, you can now process data in JSON format. Version 12.3 introduces 7 new script functions that allow you to parse, read, and modify JSON. With JSON to process, it also has a function that allows elements of a JSON document to be treated as a data sequence, for example, to loop over the elements. My fifth and last personal highlight in version 12.3 is that the forecasts have received a new technical platform. In terms of functionality, the forecasts in 12.3 have not changed much, but the technology in the background to calculate the forecast has been rebuilt. And that's good news, because it lays the foundation for future new forecasting features. One new feature is even already included in version 12.3. The forecast can now calculate periods in which agents have nothing to do, so-called agent slots. This helps in planning agent upgrades. So that's it. These are my 5 personal highlights in Automic version 12.3. But 12.3 has more to offer. Analytics has been improved, Adopt OpenJDK is now supported, and much more. As usual, Automic summarizes all release highlights in the documentation. You can find it on docs.automic.com. Read all of it there to learn what's new in version 12.3. My name is Philipp Elmer, and my goal is to improve your Automic knowledge.